I've been dying to make some small leather tool pouches for our mini Buscadero 110s. This is one of them, and I couldn't decide if I wanted one on the handlebars, the rear fender, or a side pouch, like a saddlebag. I ran a poll on Instagram a little while ago, and that was no help. It was pretty much evenly split. So I decided to start out by making a handlebar tool bag. I was thinking something small, cylindrical, kind of a little tube that would just nestle right up in here. Honestly, it doesn't make total sense to put a leather bag on this bike. Even in the vintage world, they didn't really put leather saddlebags and tool pouches on race bikes. But it's gonna be cool either way. And we're hoping to add an enduro style kit eventually, like with a little vintage headlight and tail light. And I think the leather pouches will look really good. But it's just experimental and for fun, so let's see how it goes. Leather and vintage motorcycles always look cool, but to be honest, I don't really love it on the front. I think that maybe it's just a little bit too big. Maybe it's just the fact that it's a vintage racing number plate. Doesn't really fit with the leather bag. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll try the handlebar bag again when I have a vintage headlight to go with it. But I'm gonna try it on the rear fender. Our next batch of 110s have some improvements. One of the things we added was a rear fender bar that just goes right over the fender like this, gives you something to grab onto. Well, my little vintage Yamaha 125 has a rear fender bar. So I mounted it on this one just to see how it would look, and it's pretty awesome. It might be my own little weird mental thing. It still doesn't look totally right on a race bike, but this was a fun experiment. I'd probably change the shape or the size of it just a little bit, but I really like these little experimental projects. Thank you all for supporting us. We really appreciate it if you shop our affiliate links in the description below. Anything you pick up from Buckle Guy, Weaver, Amazon, we'll get a little kickback, and it supports us big time. More project videos coming though. Thanks for watching. Bye.